prawn about 6 to 8 years. And all time, so that the saucy prawn is made there. And in the saucy, give the prawn instrument color white and golden. White and golden color. White and golden. Yeah.
White and golden, both.
Yeah, golden
Okay.
color.
How many days is taking?
Yeah.
How many days is taking for formation? This one, yes.
Yeah. This is
Ball
just
formation.
Yeah. You know, after 15 days, it makes the first layer. Yeah.
Okay.
And after 6 years, it can give the perfect prawn. Yeah. The shape is the big size. Yeah. And is the last one. This one is the Tahiti prawn oyster. Tahiti is very famous for the shape with black color prawn. It's very special with the black color beautiful prawn. Yeah, besides the black color, can give the gray or green color. With diameter prawn about 8 to 15 millimeter. And
Okay.
the oyster it needs about 4 to 5 years to get the prawn. 4 to 5 years can give one prawn. And one oyster can give one prawn. And you know, the culture prawn it began in 1893 by Kokichi Mikimoto of the Plantic Legend.
What is this?
Yeah, you know the culture prawn it began in 1893. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Kokichi Mikimoto he succeeded in producing the first culture prawn in the world. Yeah, and nowadays on the world almost is the culture prawn. Yeah, and before 1893 on the world they have the legend prawn. But the legend prawn is very there and almost the shape is very small and it's not perfect. It's so difficult to make the jewelry. So that the Kokichi Mikimoto he produced the culture prawn to make the beautiful jewelry from pearl. Yeah, and in here we also produce the culture prawn. And you know to produce the culture prawn, we have to use this one. And you can see this one is the core. The core is made from the shell. Yeah. This one, you can see it have the round shape. When you implant on the body oyster, it can help to make the round shape for the pearl. Yeah, see. Yeah. Remember the membrane, like this is the membrane, one part we cut from here, one part we cut already from here. We will divide the membrane into the small pieces like this, and we use this one, antibacterial liquid, we use to cover the membrane to protect and keep moisture.
Okay.
Yeah. And this membrane also is very important. It will stimulate the development of the pearl. It's further, very important. Also, it stimulates the oil to produce the pearl layer. Yeah. If no have the membrane, we don't put inside the body also. It's not have the pearl.
Okay.
Yeah. So that if
Oyster don't have the membrane, don't have the pearl.
Yeah. Yeah. You know, because the oyster it need have the membrane. It can produce the pearl. Yeah. But it's not have the membrane. It's not make the pearl. Yeah. Yeah. We want with the membrane and one core to put in one oyster. Yeah. One oyster can give one pearl. And now please see in here the second step. You can go behind the equator.